Them R888Rs mounted. The car's still settling from being in the air. Cold start. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of turning to scratch these tires and get them broke in. This is gonna be a cold traction test. I'm not going to light them up or do a burnout. I'd really like to see how they perform compared to my last tires, my Michelins, without actually roasting them or anything like that. I'll show you a clip of what it looked like on just regular street Michelins. Now. Video of the axle dumps. We literally have like a quarter mile on the tires. Give it a little bit, see what happens. And of course there's a cop. Didn't hold power as quite as well as I thought it would, but I don't even have a mile on them yet, so hopefully that little bit of scratching warmed them up a little bit, I guess. Mufflers were fucking, it didn't sound like a Corvette to me. This is literally the first time I've had semi-traction ever in first and second in this car. So
yeah, I'll bet.
I'm like a child at school right now. I love her. She good for me. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's the
got plenty of traction. That's fucking
She's
awesome.
alright if you don't like romp it.
Yeah,
That's why I try not to dump it hard into gear.
Yeah.
If you'll give her a nice relaxing way, she'll hook. Plus the more I break the tires in, the more I'll get out of them.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? And they're still so damn fresh.
Yeah. They're still not sticky.
No. Like even the videos I've seen where I did the research and found out about these, people will straight light them up in first gear before they would start making pulls in them.
Yeah, that was I appreciate that.
No problem, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all
Yeah.
did me a hell of a solid. Anytime I can show up the Corvette and get something to repeat, expose you to something awesome, why not? He liked it. Thank you. Well, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. It looks like a bell. Thank you for watching. More videos to come on the R888s. We will see you later.